preface this video. So it was the end of the day. There was only 4 of us left. These are we kind of collectively agreed, hey, full auto. We're gonna do some 2v2s. It's gonna be great. We only managed to do one 2v2. One of the guys got shot in the nuts, and he was like, screw it. We got like 20 minutes left in the day. I ain't playing. So we start with those, and we'll get to it. Let's hit it.
I don't think I have ever played a match with this full auto.
I don't think I played a match full auto here at all.
Well, yeah, it usually doesn't happen. We don't get this situation often. We get a ref who actually gives 2 shits. And people, when there's so few of us.
Wait, so you're saying this ref doesn't give 2 shits?
Well, he cares that we're not nut tapping each other at 5 feet away, but you know what I mean.
Yeah.
You take right, I'll take left. Oh shit, is my camera on? Oh, she on. Hey, I got one over here. Yeah, he's on big spool rear. Man, you really leaving me high and dry. He went right. One arm's left. He's close left, right around the corner. I'm gonna slide on him. You see him?
Nah, you got one on middle triple spool.
Gotcha. Let's get him out first. Do we have a single kill? He's already dead! Leave him alone! Let's rush him. Go, go, go right, go right, go right.
20 seconds!
He's right to your left, your left!
10, 9,
I'm running.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, that's game!
Woo!
So that guy I was talking about, he got shot in the nuts there at the end. He was the guy that we rushed and pulled up on him, and he was out. He was quit for the day. So these are just the 1v1s that we had. So let's get to it.
Ready on you. Oh, nice peek though. GG, GG. I'm ready. Oh man, I ate shit too.
Oh my god,
The fucking speed reload. What's that?
That was crazy.
Which one of y'all got out first?
I think it's me.
I felt myself slipping. I'm like, no.
Alex,
I have a terrible.
that was a perfect reload though.
Yeah.
I didn't even hear it happen.
Dude, that was like a John Wick reload. You flung that shit out.
All right, you're fresh. What side?
I don't care.
All right, no, you have to care. You pick.
Okay, I'll take it back.
Oh, God damn it. Y'all just love giving me the worst side, huh? Here. I don't want to throw it again. Whew. Man, they're trying to tire me out. That's what they're doing. They playing easy to make it harder on me. I'm good.
That's it.
Ah, fuck. And I think it's the last game of the day, guys. It was an honor fighting with y'all. I'm good. Ah, hit. Woo. Ah, man, you smoked my head.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Whew.
Good job though.
Ah, it hurts. It stings. Oh, ear, right in my ear, and then right on the neck. Whew. Oh, I'm gonna be feeling that one.
Hey, I just want to end this video off by saying a shout out to Dogepool Airsoft. He might upload the his perspective for these 1v1s that we were doing. Great guy, you know, he's usually there when I go to Extreme Park Adventures. So he's a good player. He's got some good footage. You know, he knows his stuff. And you know, obviously he's a pretty good shot. He took my neck out. Yeah, man, he's good. He's good.